Hello, everyone. Welcome to this workshop on alcohol consumption. My name is Victoria Salazar, and today I'm going to guide you on some points related to our main topic. We will discuss about binge drinking and the short and long-term effects of alcohol consumption. Before starting, I want you to think about what do you currently know about alcohol consumption. After you're done reflecting about it, I want you to keep in mind these questions. I'll give you a few seconds so you can think about this question. Okay, so let's begin. Maybe some of you have heard about the term binge drinking, and if not, don't worry. We're going to clear doubts right now. So binge drinking refers to the consumption of 5 or more drinks on an occasion for men or 4 or more drinks on an occasion for women. Sometimes the binge drinking sessions can take people to consume at least 8 drinks. So I have a question for you. Do you know what age range most commonly binge drink? You don't have to know the exact answer, but I want you to guess. I'll give you a few seconds so you can write it down. Okay, so let's know the answer. So binge drinking, it is most common among younger adults aged 18 and 34 years old. Good job. Now, as we were talking about the higher and the large amount of alcohol, can you imagine the health effects that those higher quantities of alcohol make to your body? Now we're going to take a look to these effects. And for that purpose, we're going to look first the short-term effects and then the long-term effects. So on the short-term effects, we have motor vehicle crashes. Unfortunately, this is a very common situation in which many times people's lives are highly at risk. Then we have alcohol poisoning. In fact, an average of 6 people die of alcohol poisoning each day in the US. Now we have violence. It can include homicide, suicide, intimate partner violence, and sexual assaults. The next one, we have risky sexual behaviors. These behaviors can result in unintended pregnancies or sexually transmitted diseases, and these include HIV. Some other short-term risks are falls or drownings. Now we have the long-term risks. Here we can find liver disease, heart disease, cancer. These include breast, mouth, throat, esophagus, voice box, liver, colon, and rectum. On the long-term risk, we can find also mental health problems, weak immune system, learning and memory problems, a stroke, and social problems. As we could see, the effects of alcohol consumption make people vulnerable to suffer from accidents, chronic diseases, even death. I want to share with you a short video so we can reinforce what we have learned.
We explain what alcohol does to your body.
Great. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that we have cleared our doubts. So finally, I would like to share with you a short phrase that always comes to my mind when talking about this topic. And it is think before you drink. It is a very short phrase, but I think it's very powerful when we encounter to those kind of situations when we debate to drink or not. So um, I want you to make a question for you, a last question. And I want you to write down what you think about alcohol consumption now that you know its effects. So with this question, I hope that we can reflect on all what we have learned and also we can share it with other people. Now, thanks everyone for your attendance and for hearing at this workshop. If you want more information, you can visit our this website that you find on the screen. Again, thank you so much and see you next time.